Hi, this is Mary Trujillo with the K Grant Group. I want to welcome you to my newest listing. We're here in the City of Surprise. This home is located in the Greenway Park 2 community. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,600 square feet. It's been remodeled. It's ready to move in. It's very close to the entertainment district called Prasada, where you've got great restaurants, places to hang out, to go shopping. Sprouts is there, you're close to Costco, you're close to Sam's Club, and you're close to Winco. I want you to come and take a walk with me. Let's take a look, and then give me a call when you're ready to come see it.